Yeah, my path to marketing was actually kind of twisted, if you will. And I was a CPA. I was actually a accountant. And so from accounting, and I was with one of the KPMG PMAWICS, which is one of the big four, for a little while. But I, after 2 years of doing auditing, and I realized that's not something I wanted to do. But I did not know what I want to do when I grow up, you know? So I was trying different things, to be honest with you. I got a job actually as a consultant, which is doing a lot of training and then doing a lot of training for the company. So I was writing a training materials. And from there, I joined Intel. And at Intel, I was in the finance and accounting side, then moved to operations, and then moved to